When the Pollard case broke in the late 80s, yes, I was surprised. I thought, however tense things may have gotten, whatever temporarily was the case that we maybe had not shared something that the Israelis wanted us to share. It did seem to me that running an espionage operation against the United States was not what I would have expected.
ג'יימס וולסי כיהן כראש סוכנות הביון המרכזית של ארצות הברית ה-CIA בשנות ה-90, עבד בשירותי הביטחון והמודיעין שנים רבות תחת 4 נשיאים, קרטר, רייגן, בוש האב וקלינטון. הוא מכיר את מירב אם לא את כל הסודות של ארצות הברית, ועכשיו הוא אומר לנו, 25 שנים הם די ויותר. הגיע הזמן לשינוי בתיק פולארד.
Pollard should be released once he complies with the terms of parole. But there were 3 terms, as I understand it, that were stated by the judge when he was sentenced. One was that he cooperate with the United States government. He apparently has done that. Second is that he expressed contrition for his espionage, and he apparently has done that. The third, I don't know whether he's done or not, which is to pledge that he would not profit in any way from the whole experience. That is, if he writes a book, the royalties would go to charity rather than to him. Once he complies with those, having been in prison for 25 years, it seems to me it has for some years now been appropriate for him to be released.
וולסי סבור שהתדהמה שהכתה באמריקנים נוכח חשיפת פרשת הריגול ותחושת הבגידה הם שהובילו לכך שפולארד נשפט לחומרה.
We catch French spies from time to time in the United States too. They don't stay in prison for 25 years. I think the time is past for Pollard to be serving a sentence given the offense.
אך ג'יימס וולסי לא תמיד החזיק בדעה הזו. הנה כאן בראיון שהעניק לערד ניר לפני 10 שנים הוא נשמע אחרת לגמרי.
Jonathan Pollard, there has been a longer lasting and strong lobby to release him. Do you think it's appropriate?
No, I do not. I've never thought that he should be released. He spied against the United States, stole a huge amount of information, was convicted fairly in a court, and I hope and trust he will spend the rest of his life in prison.
Can you describe how your point of view has changed over the years?
Well, I came out strongly against...
Or did you get new information?
No, I came out strongly against clemency for Pollard when I was director of Central Intelligence. Looking at the statistics of the people who stayed in prison for espionage that long, it seemed to me that it was now at the point, 5 years ago, that the punishment really was quite clearly excessive, given all of the circumstances.
וולסי פוסל אפשרות של עסקה פוליטית שתוביל לשחרורו של ג'ונתן פולארד.
It's time for him to be released, and there should not be any quid pro quo such as Israel doesn't build in these following settlements in exchange for getting Pollard. I don't like that.
אהרון ברנע, חדשות ערוץ 2, וושינגטון.